In this video, I'll show you how to move any object to the origin point in AutoCAD with precision. First, type D settings in the command line and press Enter to open the Drafting Settings dialog box. Go to the Dynamic Input tab, click Pointer Input Settings, then choose Cartesian Format and set the coordinate type to absolute coordinates. Click OK to save the settings, then click OK again to close the dialog box. Now type Move in the command line and press Enter. Select the object you want to move, then press Enter to confirm the selection. When prompted for the base point, choose a reference point on the object, such as the center of a circle or a corner. For the destination point, type 0, 0, 0 and press Enter. AutoCAD will instantly move the selected object so the chosen reference point is positioned exactly at the origin. This method is perfect when aligning drawings, importing objects, or preparing files for precise editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.